안녕하세요. 아제르바이잔 리프 다시라고 합니다. 사랑하는 네이처 멤버들, 우리 아제르바이잔 팬들은 다시 네이처를 만나고 싶어서 이 영상을 만들었습니다. 저희는 네이처와 다시 팬미팅 하길 바랍니다. 그래서 네이처 우리 아제르바이잔 팬들과 다시 팬미팅 해주세요. 사랑해요.
Hello nature, my name is Tamara and Azerbaijan live. I love you so much and you heard Fanmeting again in Azerbaijan. Thank you.
안녕하세요. 나는 나래입니다. 나는 진짜 나래는 nature and we are really love you so much nature and we are really want again here Fanmeting please again Fanmeting Azerbaijan and we are really love you so much and thankful for your all hard work and thank you.
안녕하세요, nature. Please spend fun meeting with you again. I love you very much. Take good care of yourself. 감사합니다.
My name is Artash. I am from Azerbaijan. Each year, please again for meeting.
Hello nature, I'm Aydan. Please from meeting with Azerbaijan again. I love you.
안녕하세요, nature. 여러분, 수아대입니다. I want to say that can you make a new awesome fan meeting with Azerbaijani leaves? We want this. If you want, let's do this together.
Hi nature, have a fun meeting with Azerbaijani leaves again please. We love you so much.
안녕 nature, I'm Leila. I want to thank you first. Your fun meeting with us was really memorable. It was my dream to meet a K-pop group, and you are the first in my dream. I have a small request from you. Please again fun meeting with Azerbaijan.
안녕하십니까 네이차. 저는 제이랍입니다. 우리 아제르바이잔 리프는 같이 미팅을 하고 싶습니다. 제발 다시 우리와 같이 미팅을 하십시오.
Hello nature, thank you very much for loving us. We love you and we support you.
Hello, nature. We love you very much. We really want you to come to our country.
Hi nature, I'm Azerbaijan love. I love you. Fanmeting please.
Hi nature, I'm Rukar. We want to hold fun meetings. Please hold fun meetings again.
Hello, nature. I am my son. Please come for meeting in Azerbaijan again.
Hello nature, I'm an Azerbaijan. We love you very much. I want you to come to our country. 사랑해.
Hello, nature. I am also. Please come for meeting in Azerbaijan again.
네이처가 안녕하십니까? 저는 율비입니다. 우리 아제르바이잔 리프는 같이 미팅을 하고 싶습니다. 제발 다시 우리와 같이 미팅을 하십시오.
Favorite group nature wants to meet you again at the fan meeting. Please do not break our request.
Hello nature, my name is Zahra. Please come for meeting with Azerbaijan again. I love you so much and I miss you. Happy New Year.
Hello, my name is Sana. I am an Azerbaijan live. I love you so much. You held fun meeting again in Azerbaijan. We miss you very much. 사랑해.
안녕하세요, 엘비랍니다. Azerbaijan live. I love you so much. Fan meeting for us again. I love you so much.
Hello nature, I wish you happiness and health in this and also next years. I participated in fan meeting twice. We would love for you to fan meeting with us again. Thank you.
Hello, nature. I'm Azerbaijan live, and we want to say we miss nature so much, and we want to meet with nature in online fan meeting again. And so please to do online meeting for Azerbaijan fans again.
안녕. 시간이 뭐해? 공부 중이야?